Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this updated 2023 results video of all of the results the agency Transmutation has been able to produce. I'm literally waking up to results pretty much every other day at this particular point, so the program is absolutely just in its prime. Now is the best time to enroll. I'm not going to say anything about having the best program on the market, but a lot of people that claim they have the best product on the market, or best program on the market, should I say, aren't able to do this. Let me give you an example. If I was to take each one of these screenshots that you're about to see, by the way, these are real people. I'll leave their names at the top of the screen as well, so you can DM them and see that they're real people with real clients, getting real results and making real money. But if I was to take each one of these screenshots that you're going to see of students going from like 0 to 17K in like 3 months, or like being able to quit their job, scaling to 10K, scaling to multiple 6 figures at the age of like 20, 18, 20 years old. Like, honestly guys, if I was able to take each one of these screenshots and put them just on agency Transmutation's website itself, the website would literally take you about 5 to 6 minutes just to scroll through. In fact, I did the maths, and if I was to take this video and just drop it on YouTube, for example, and not actually speed the video up, it would literally take you 20 minutes, 20 plus minutes just to watch each one of the screenshots. If I was to take this and put this on a Transmutation individually, the screenshots, it would be like an infinite scroll. So I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to drop this particular video. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you can see how powerful Transmutation is and how it's been able to change people's lives. There's been people that have been able to quit their jobs, fly out their moms. I've literally had voice notes from students, parents, from a student's parent, literally thanking me for creating the program and allowing their son to enroll into the program because it's changed their, his particular life. He's been able to pay off, like, I've seen people pay off their parents' credit card debt. I've seen people fly out their actual mothers to different countries to see their parents. That's absolutely insane. I've seen people quit their jobs and actually send me videos of themselves dancing inside of their workplace where they're just about to hand in their resignation, because they know they're about to quit their job, because they've been able to take the program, scale their business up to a point that's now more than replaced their income, and now they never have to work that job again. So they literally got music blasting in their workplace, knowing that they're about to hand in their resignation, all because of Transmutation. So without any further ado, guys, I'm gonna let you guys enjoy this. And again, pause to read some of these, because honestly, these are actually life-changing. I'll allow you guys to, just go back and forth, see some of the results. If you do want to enroll inside of Transmutation after seeing this, I probably wouldn't blame you, because we do have quite a lot of results. These are not even all of the results. There's been a lot of results that I know that I'm responsible for, that I've never even been given credit for, and there's results in the actual program where I've probably just missed them. There's so many people getting results. In fact, I actually woke up to a result literally this morning, quite literally. So results are coming every single day. So I'm gonna let you guys enjoy this. The link is below if you want to enroll inside of Transmutation. Love you guys. Take it easy. Peace.
Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me